Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
I got some new octopus moulds.
Yay.
I know, you were thrilled to bits, weren't you?
Yeah, but it's not just an octopus mould, is it?
No, there was also a hedgehog, and I wasn't really sure if it was a dragon or an axolotl.
Okay.
So it's a bit of a surprise one.
Ooh.
Because I got it from, Temu, and I couldn't remember what it was.
Do you know what was a
that.
big surprise?
What was that?
There was no turtle.
There was no turtle. No. Although... I'm gonna save that one anyway. I started off, I thought I've got these glass eyes, and I thought I'd give them a go because I've never used them before, and I normally use sort of googly eyes or the little
stick-on ones.
Yeah, the little stick-on ones, or I use the googly eyes because I like those. They're cool.
They're googly.
Yeah, they're just funny. They amuse me. And I thought I'd give these glass eyes a go because they are really pretty. And I thought, well, we'll see. So I put them in with some UV. So if anyone has never seen this before, you take a tiny, tiny drop of UV and put it into the mould. But before you do that, if you see there's like a line through the eye, I always write a little line on the back so I know which way up my eye is.
So you don't have wonky eyes.
Because otherwise I end up with a really nice piece and they've got super wonky eyes.
Yeah.
It doesn't bode well.
No.
So that's
I suppose it depends what kind of aesthetic you're going for.
Well, I'm not usually going for a wonky-eyed piece, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Anyway, I wanted to try them out because I'm going to do another big turtle soon, and I wanted to see what they look like. So hedgehog is first. Now I didn't put any eyes in the hedgehog because he's got the tiniest of eyes.
And they wouldn't fit.
I had nothing that would fit, so I thought, well, I'll just wing it. So he's got like a little love heart on the front. So I dug out, it's like a rose. It's like a rose gold.
It is a rose gold.
But it's a chameleon. So it doesn't stay rose gold. It changes to a different colour, like a more gold. So it goes from goldy gold to rosy gold.
So it goes from gold to gold.
No, it goes from goldy gold to rosy gold. Okay. Do keep up. Anyway.
I'm trying.
So that was the heart. And then I sort of decided to go through all the rest of the colours. There are some real nice colours in here.
We've had these for ages as well.
We have, and
They've lasted really well.
I really do like them.
Yeah.
I do. I dig them out quite a lot because they're just, and it does take me a little while to choose what I want.
It does take a
choices.
long time.
Choices are a big thing. If I had no choice, then I'd be simple. You'd get it in that colour. You can have any colour you like as long as it's black, sort of thing.
If you're struggling for stuff like that,
because we've got so many to choose from, it takes a moment for me to go, that's what I want.
Okay. I mean, I could always get rid of everything and leave one.
And what would you do with everything?
What
would you do with it?
I'd just put it in the bin.
Anyway, I gave him like a sort of, it's like a green face, but it has it's a blue to green chameleon. And I just thought that's different. So I went for that.
It is. And it's quite a cute face.
It is. I was really not feeling it though. I wasn't sure if I liked this mould. Anyway, I went over it with the sort of a chocolatey brown, but I didn't burnish it in well. I left lots of little like gaps and things so that I could go in it with the gold and give him some interest.
Bit of interest in there, so it wasn't just one solid
colour. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, at this point I was like, not sure. That might go in the bottom section of the cupboard.
Okay.
Because I wasn't not sure. I decided that rather than going with black at the back, I'm going to go for a chocolate brown.
Good plan.
Because I love this chocolate brown colour.
And also, if you've missed any, the brown will fill it in.
Exactly.
Wow.
See?
It's almost like you planned this.
I know. It's like...
What's happening?
I don't know. I don't know, but it needs to stop because it's causing problems now. But I thought I'd go in with some chocolate brown, and then because he's got lots of sort of spikes and bits on him,
Little bits that will catch bubbles.
Yeah, I gave it a real good squish around to sort of make sure it was all in there. And then I thought, God, it's using quite a bit. So I thought I'll dig out the Bruno box and stick a bit of waste product
There's
in there.
quite a lot going in there, to be fair.
Oh, I piled it in, don't you worry. I got rid of a good few pieces.
Yeah. And it makes no difference to the finished piece.
No, you literally don't know they're there. But I know they're there, and it makes me happy.
And now you do too, dear viewer.
Indeed. So that was the hedgehog. He's off to cure. So my next one is the first octopus. Now, I wanted to go summery colours.
Yeah.
So I decided to go for the banana shake colour from Just Resin and
nice
the
mint.
It's like I said that without moving my lips.
It's like you're one of those ventriloquist things.
I know. Now, I've seen this done a few times on Instagram Reels by a number of people. I don't remember anyone specific because who knows account names when you're doom scrolling? If you do, you're a better person than me. But what you do is you get some you just get a cup of clear, and then you pour your colour into it, and you don't mix it. You don't do anything. You just pour it in blobs like I've done. And I thought, well, let's have a look and see what it's like, because I see it poured, but I don't see it demoulded. So I was curious. So I thought it's ideal for this particular mould because I wanted it yellow and green. And
so you're following a trend at the minute then on that one.
Yeah, I am. I'm trendy. I'm a trendy one, I am.
Just down with the kids.
But let's be honest, this is no surprise to you, is it?
What?
No, that I'm trendy. Honestly, if you saw the look on his face then. Anyway, that was the first one. When that was done, it was off to let that cure. And then I thought, I'm going to go pink and peach, which, if anyone knows me, pink and peach are probably the two furthest away colours that I would normally choose.
Wow, and beige.
Yeah. But it's a new year. It's a whole new time of, awakening, because I now quite like browns and beiges, which is freaking me out. But these two colours, well, I'm not going to spoil it. You'll see. You will see.
I like the strawberry shake colour. That's a really nice colour.
These are the pastel. This is the pastel set from Just Resin, and to be fair, I think there isn't a Just Resin set that I don't like, that I don't absolutely adore. Like if I won the lottery tomorrow, I'd have one of every single colour they do.
Yeah.
Just because, they're just beautiful.
Okay. So while Nikki's doing the rest of this pour, I just want to say a thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us and allowing Nikki to make pink and orange things.
It's not pink and orange, it's pink and peach.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Anyway,
so those went off. That went off to cure, and then the last one I used Glacier, which is this. I mean, it's a stunning blue, and then obviously lavender.
Do you know, when I was editing this, I thought, she's not done a purple one yet. What's going on?
Yeah, save the best till last, obviously. Obviously. Now, this one I just done the normal, So with the previous octopus, I poured one, poured another, poured one, and this one I just poured them together at the same time, just to sort of have a look. Obviously didn't make enough because it's me. And I made up another little bit and then just finished him off.
To be fair, you normally make too much so that you can do a turtle.
I do, but because you're doing your big project, all the turtle moulds are full of deep pour, so they're not cured. Nice one. Anyway, this is a day later and it's time for the demold. So I did the hedgehog first because this was the one I was least expecting to be any good.
Okay.
Now, as I demolded it, I realised that actually he's got little flowers within his spikes.
Are they roses?
They are like little, I don't
No.
know what they are, but they're flowers. And I thought, I didn't notice that because I would definitely have highlighted those.
Yeah, because you could mica those a different
colour. I'd have done something. But I actually thought he's really cute.
I like that.
I think he's really cute. But once again, as it's from a Temu mould, he's not, it's a matte mould.
Okay.
And I'm like, he would be so much nicer if it was actually a shiny mould.
Yeah.
They've got to stop labelling things as resin moulds if they're not shiny.
I like how you gave that one eyelids.
Yeah, so this one, it actually went underneath where I'd put the glass eyes in, and I thought, oh.
So was that because you didn't put enough resin in? UV?
No, I genuinely don't know, because I've never had this problem with googly eyes, and I've never had this problem with the sticky eyes.
No.
This is the first time I've ever encountered this problem, and I thought, oh, what have I done wrong? But
I like that.
Going back to the actual mould itself, I quite like him. And I think the blue and the purple work really, really well.
Yeah, I think that looks
very,
really
very
good.
cool. So then it was on to my yellow and green octopus.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Of the lot, that's my least favourite.
Now I like the colours, but I don't like the mould.
I think it's a bit of both.
Well,
I don't think the colours.
Well, you're only 50% wrong then, because the colours are fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
No, I quite like the colours, but I do not like the mould. So that mould is consigned to the,
the bin.
Well, probably, to be fair. And then he popped out like a good one. Now I do like this mould.
I love this one.
Because he just looks so cute.
It looks like a brain with tentacles.
I know. I think he's so cute. I like this one. I do. Now, again, the eyes, and I've not come across this before with any of my other makes where I've used googly eyes or sticky eyes. It's got the UV resin, as you can see the UV resin, and I'm like, I don't like that. I don't.
What do you mean you can see the UV? Is it because it's a matte mould?
I think it might be because it's a matte mould. I don't know.
I think that adds to it though, because it makes the eyes a little bit. It gives a bit of depth or a bit of life to the eyes.
No, they're dull. They've gone from shiny to dull. Is what I'm saying.
Oh, have they?
Yes. So when I put the eyes in, they were super glassy shiny.
Yeah.
And then when I took it out of the mould, they were super dull.
You could always just put a bit of UV on top.
I know that, but I shouldn't have to, is what I'm saying.
Okay.
I object to that. It's a mould, it should be shiny.
Okay.
So I went back to the hedgehog and I just sort of give him a little bit of a mouth, bit of a nose. Lippy. Just made his ears stick out a little bit more. Just tarted him up a bit, just really.
The little. See, I think you should have left it like that with the white eyes.
With the white?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it looked really freaky.
No, he's got regular eyes. And then I took a little bit of UV and just brushed it on to make them, eyes
pop.
Yeah, basically. So
would you do that one again?
Would I make the hedgehog again? Yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
I might, but I don't know.
With it, colouring in the roses instead, and
maybe. I decided that it needed something on the back of him because it was just a bit boring for me. So I took some gilding wax and I just give it a very light fingering all over with the gilding wax, and it just makes the edges, just gives it a bit of definition. So
yeah,
I quite liked him. And then they are
There's
the finished
the gang.
piece. Yeah. What do you think? I actually, looking at them there, the hedgehog is the nicest one of the lot. Yeah,
the hedgehog is nice, but the octopus one.
The octopus is cute.
It just.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments what you think.
Yeah.
And what kind of combination would you have done?
I think you nailed it with the octopus, though.
I think I did.
Yeah.
Anyway, on that note, thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
And hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Okay.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.